And you are seeing this, you are telling this after it has happened. Like I used to joke these people. Are you following? I am not confusing you. Because the CNPC people, they will come at 3:30 with all attractively dressed and everything. They will start explaining what happened from 9:15 to 3:30. That is, anybody can do it.
What's happening now? Government
Yeah. And in financial market, what is important is what can predict. Many people what they do is they will describe. All the journalists are they don't know what variables go into the prediction. That what our Korareddy is. Korareddy knows what variables goes into by going into the quantitative. Our guru of have you heard of Victor Nederhofer? These are all common principles of what are the daily speculations. One person is there in US. So what I mean to say is people go on describing what happened and they think that they are experts. See, in India, there are only three things every person is an expert. Cricket, politics, third is stock market. Now, our friend Karthik knows very well. So, that is the type of thing. What I mean to drive here is understanding about risk. One of the guru of finance, he says, is what you call about risk. He uses a term called black swan. What he means by black swan is that normally what is the color of swan? All swans are white. Isn't it? Now suddenly you see a black swan. A swan which is color is black. So this is proved wrong. That means a surprising event comes into the financial. What he says is that we will think that my loss will not be more than 1 lakh. And suddenly black swans appear means you will get wiped out. Like what happened in 2008, 2009. Yes. What happens? Your margin will be cut. Like broker is like a snake. When you are in problem only, he will come and bite you. Suppose your money is 2 lakhs. Normally he will come over, he will offer you snacks, offer you biryani, everything. You go to brokers meetings because I work as a broker. I know how they treat these investors. You go to the brokers meeting, so they will offer you everything at no free of cost. You think, oh, very nice man he is. So, but when the margin comes, no margin call. In margin call, he will cut you mercilessly. Once the investors get flushed out, is what happened in the last 2-3 days. Then the rise comes. Once you get flushed out, then starts. Because all weak hands, people who don't have margin money, their positions are cut. What happens here, what they will say is, get out of this at any cost. See, even at 7,700 or 7,000, below 7,700 also, you are ready to throw your positions. But once after you got out of this, huge rise comes. See what happens here in this some of the even our people they used to say, once you start losing, and you tell to your wife or something like that, they start saying, no, just get out, don't, this is very painful. So your pressure becomes more. Because we have interacted with a lot of traders, and I have seen many day traders, position traders, and people who leverage and their positions. So that type of things routinely happens. So he says that he has written a very popular book. If you come across this book, you can also read Black Swan by Nassim Nicholas Taleb. He is a top class, he is a doctorate in finance. He taught at New York University. Very popular author. In Koti you can get it for 50 rupees. That is so he says that that surprises. His basic theory is that Black Swan is something which is unpredictable. And it will have a huge impact. He says three properties of this Black Swan: unpredictable, huge impact, easily explainable after the fact. After the event has occurred, like suppose Y.S. Rajశేఖర్ Reddy died in a plane crash. Everybody will come and say after that how it has happened, how you would have avoided. You should not have gone into that plane at that time. You have delayed over 2 minutes. Everybody will become an expert after the event. Before nobody can predict. The basic property of the event is unpredictable. And once it happens, it has huge impact. Or what we call low probability, high impact events. Where are these low probability, high impact events? They are in the tails of the distribution. See, if you see the statistics or normal distribution, if you study, what they say is, why I am telling all these things, FRM focuses on this only. It won't ask you some stories to be written. You write some 2 pages about derivatives. No, they will ask you. They will test your problem solving ability and how you apply your concept to that particular problem. So, what he is saying is that if you see the normal distribution, if this is the mean, and any normal distribution can be fully described by 2 characteristics of the distribution, that is mean and standard deviation. That is the most basic concept of normal distribution. Normal distribution can be fully described by mu and sigma. I think Professor knows very well. He is a statistics and finance engineer. So, what it says is that there is a 1 sigma, there is a 2 sigma, 3 sigma. So what the normal distribution says is that up to 3 sigma, 99.9% is covered. If I am not wrong, some small subject to exact these numbers. So black swans are here. Black swans will test your arrogance in the market. Suppose it's like every day you are making money. You think that you are the god of the markets. No, you think that markets are dancing to my tune. So if I start some music, markets will dance. That's what Nassim Taleb says is that in US there is some festival, Turkey festival. What is that? Thanksgiving festival. For Thanksgiving festival, what they do is every day they will feed the turkey bird for some 200 days, something like that. Every day, they will be feeding that turkey bird. The turkey bird thinks every day I am getting huge food, lot of vitamins, proteins, all these cashew nuts and all these things. But one day what happens here, Thanksgiving day, what happens? It is cut, but mercilessly it is cut and made into chicken pieces. So this is what he terms as black spot event. A 200 day. Because why you have to say, nobody can escape black swans. It is the only thing that if we are knowledgeable about such events, you can at least protect yourself. You know that there is something danger happening. So what you will do? Suppose a crocodile catches your leg. Assume. What you will do? What you have to do? Under normal conditions, you have to cut your leg and come out. If you wait for a few minutes, what happens? It will swallow total. So if you are aware of such things, then you may, because no, see, as a trader, you can't escape those things if you keep trading in the market. So that's nobody is an exception. I also earlier traded hugely in the market. Once there is a huge event, we have to cut out and come. Like that. To illustrate that, I am just awareness about risk. Yeah. So this is how. And one more point, actually I brought these things, I left them in the house to give to. So here what you see here is, risk comes from two things. What we say when we say risk is, this can decompose into two items, that is exposure and uncertainty. Suppose you are swimming in some lake or something, that you know that sharks are there. Then can we say that I am exposed to shark attacks? Exposure is there. But uncertainty is there. Whether sharks will come and attack me is uncertain. There is some probability attached to it. Sharks may come at that time, or they have already eaten some people and they are keeping quiet. So uncertain. So when both are there, we say that risk is. So if you go and take a derivatives position, so your exposure is there. Uncertainty means there may be huge event coming, like last 3 days, some China event came. So that if China event is not coming, you simply gone out of expiry, then you may think that I am an expert. Because what happens is, you are seeing only one realization of the history. I think I will not go into that much detail. Maybe once you go through that book, I will restrict myself to this. So what is a derivative? Can anyone give a definition? I think Raghu will adapt because he has studied a lot of derivatives.
It is derived from the underlying asset.
Derived from the?
Underlying
Very good. Yes, derived from underlying asset. Yes, next. It is a contract or asset? It is a contract. Yes. What is the difference between contract and asset?
Contract liability.
Contract expires. Contract you can't take it to your home. Asset you can take it to your head. Home. Iche sumarne ikkade iche. Derived from underlying asset. So and